back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing a healthy peach banana oat smoothie bowl. This is perfect for my busy day today. I'm going to be on the go and I want something light and healthy to fill me up and to give me energy. I am going to start with my banana. I'm going to use half of a medium-sized banana maybe. I am going to use about a cup of frozen peaches, using frozen right now. Feel free to use fresh peaches if you want. I am going to throw in a nice heaping spoonful, about a 1/4 cup, Greek yogurt. And I'm going to throw in a scoop of Super Reds. Just a nice little extra boost of the good stuff. And instead of using almond milk today, I am going to use coconut water. I'm in the mood for something light and sweet to drink, so I am going to sip on this later when I am running kids around to activities tonight. But I am going to add in about a 1/2 cup maybe or so of coconut water. We're going to put the lid on. That's not quite enough liquids. Let's add just a little bit more. There we go. Put our lid on. We're going to blend this real quick in the NutriBullet. Giving it a nice mix in the NutriBullet. I'm going to add this to my bowl. Again, if you like yours more of a frosty type thickness, you could add some ice cubes. You could add more frozen fruit, pre-freeze your banana. I like mine a little bit more liquidy. I'm going to take some oats. And I'm going to add to the top. And I'm going to grab my super seeds that I have been enjoying a lot lately. I think I'm going to add a little bit to the outside over here. It's kind of fun to play with the toppings on your smoothie bowls. We'll just go all the way around. Feel free to add some more fruits, some dried fruit, mixed nuts, chocolate chips, whatever you want to the top of your smoothie bowls. Be sure to check out my other smoothie bowl recipes. Some spectacular, I think some of my most favorite ones are my tropical mango, my cherry chocolate smoothie bowl. Ooh, that's so good. Thank you all so much for watching today's recipe video. I hope you like this recipe and enjoy it. Gotta love peach flavor, and we'll see y'all next time.